Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read
Friendship Triumphs Challenges.
Well, let's get started.
Once upon a time, there was a young man named Bobby who worked as a programmer. Bobby loved his job and was very good at it, but he often felt lonely and isolated. He didn't have many friends at work and often found himself feeling down and stressed out. He would spend hours working alone, and even when he was surrounded by people, he felt like he had no one to talk to. That was until one day, his boss assigned him to work on a project with a new team member named Emily. At first, Bobby was hesitant about working with someone new, but he soon found that Emily was friendly and easy to talk to. She was also very skilled at programming and helped Bobby to improve his own skills. They worked together on a project that required a lot of collaboration and communication, which helped them to get to know each other better. As they worked together, Bobby and Emily became good friends. They would often stay late at the office to work on their project, and they would also meet up outside of work to hang out and have fun. Bobby found that having a friend at work made him feel much happier and more motivated. He felt like he had someone to talk to and to share his ideas with. He felt like he was part of a team, and that made him feel more connected to the company and to his work. He started to enjoy his job even more and was more productive. He was also more confident, and he was able to communicate better with his colleagues. One day, Bobby received some bad news. His grandmother, who he loved very much, had fallen ill and was in the hospital. Bobby was devastated and didn't know what to do. He felt like he was alone and that he had no one to talk to. Emily saw that he was upset and asked him what was wrong. Bobby told her about his grandmother and how worried he was. Emily offered to help Bobby in any way she could. She helped him to take care of his grandmother and to take time off work when he needed it. She also helped him to focus on his work when he needed to and to stay positive. Bobby was very grateful for Emily's support and friendship. He felt like he had someone who truly cared about him and who wanted to help him. Thanks to Emily's help, Bobby was able to get through this difficult time. He was able to be there for his grandmother and to continue working on his project. He realized that having a friend who was supportive and understanding was truly a blessing. He learned that in life, it's not only important to have a good job and to be successful, but also to have someone who will be there for you when you need them. He felt like he was part of a team, and that made him feel more connected to the company and to his work. From that day on, Bobby and Emily were not just co-workers, but also the closest friends. They supported each other in both good and bad times, and their friendship only grew stronger with time. They would spend hours talking about their work, their families, their lives, and their hopes and dreams. They would help each other to achieve their goals and to overcome their challenges. They became each other's support system, and they knew that they could always count on each other. In conclusion, Bobby's friendship with Emily taught him the importance of having someone to talk to, and how much a supportive friend can help you to get through difficult times. It taught him that even in the most lonely and isolating jobs, one can find a friend and it will change everything. He learned that in life, it's not only important to have a good job and to be successful, but also to have someone who will be there for you when you need them. Bobby and Emily's friendship continued to grow and flourish, and they eventually became the best of friends. They supported each other through many difficult times and celebrated each other's successes. As time passed, Bobby and Emily's careers began to take off. They both received promotions and were given more responsibility at work. Bobby was grateful for Emily's guidance and support, and he knew that he wouldn't be where he was without her. One day, Emily approached Bobby with an exciting opportunity. She had been offered a job at a new company and she wanted Bobby to come with her. Bobby was hesitant at first, but after thinking about it, he realized that it was a great opportunity for him as well. He accepted the offer and they both started at the new company together. At the new company, Bobby and Emily continued to work together and to support each other. They both quickly climbed the ranks and became leaders in the company. Bobby was grateful for the opportunity to work with Emily again, and he knew that he wouldn't be where he was without her. Years passed, Bobby and Emily's friendship remained strong and they continued to support each other through all of life's ups and downs. They were grateful to have found each other, and they knew that their friendship would last a lifetime. The story of Bobby and Emily's friendship shows that in life, it's not only important to have a good job and to be successful, but also to have someone who will be there for you when you need them. It teaches us the importance of friendship and support in the workplace and how it can help us to achieve our goals and to overcome our challenges. Their story is a reminder that even in the most lonely and isolating jobs, one can find a friend and it will change everything.
Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.